The 3D thermal imaging analyzer is a groundbreaking tool designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, providing unparalleled precision and efficiency in PCB-printed circuit board diagnostics. This advanced infrared thermal imaging system operates seamlessly on Windows-based computers, enabling users to detect issues such as short circuits, leakage points, and structural irregularities with ease. Its high-resolution thermal imaging capabilities and innovative features make it an indispensable asset for electronics repair and diagnostics. Equipped with a resolution of 256 by 190 pixels and a frame rate of 25 Hz, this analyzer delivers ultra-clear details, capturing even the smallest thermal variations on a PCB. The panoramic view allows users to monitor the entire board while pinpointing problem areas with high accuracy. Its ability to identify milliamp-level leakage points and locate short circuits ensures reliable and efficient troubleshooting, saving both time and resources. The accompanying software, compatible with Windows 10 and 11, provides a robust platform for analyzing data. By collecting online detection data, the software can identify and assess issues such as leakage components and structural inconsistencies. Its intuitive interface and advanced processing capabilities allow users to produce detailed diagnostic reports, making it ideal for professionals in repair and manufacturing environments.